Are you also running a YouTube channel and want to automate the comment reply? Then this video is definitely for you. So right here I'm on my YouTube channel where I'm going to post a comment over this video. So now let me add the comment over here. So here I'm going to post this content that is in a world that's always rushing. Waterfalls remind us that beauty flows at its own pace. And now here I'm going to post this comment, and now let's wait for a few minutes to see whether we get the reply of this comment or not. And now the time is over, and here you can see that we are getting this response which says, beautifully said, thank you for this reminder, nature really help us slow down. Hope this video give you a peaceful pause today. And here you can see that I'm getting an amazing reply by my AI. So here you have seen that as soon as I have posted the comment over this YouTube channel or this YouTube video, I'm getting an automated response. So now you can also create this automation for your YouTube channel to reply to your viewers. So now for that you have to use one and only automation tool that is called as Pabbly Connect. And for using the Pabbly Connect, you don't require any coding or technical skills. You just have to create integration between different applications. And by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate thousands of applications. So now let me show you how to do it. And for that, you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here, I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free, and Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial, so make sure to try it. And if you are an existing user, then you have to select the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it. And this discount coupon code is going to provide you the most heaviest discount ever compared to other coupon codes, so make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the workflow page and create this automation where we are going to automate the YouTube comments. So now let's select the trigger application. So right here I'm going to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new comment over my YouTube video. So here I have selected this application. Now let's select the app event as new comment on a channel, or either you can even select new comment on a video. But right here I'm going to select it as new comment on a channel. Now let's connect it. And right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection you have to sign up with your Google account. So right here I'm going to select my this account, and now I'm going to allow the access. And no worries, your data is 100% safe with Pabbly, so you can allow the access. So I'm going to just click over this continue button, and here the connection has been built in. And now it is asking me to select the channel. So here it is already selected as I have built in the connection. And now we are getting this field for entering the maximum result. Means the number of comments you want to fetch in one go. So here I'm going to enter it as 1 only. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and Pabbly Connect will automatically fetch the latest comment made over your YouTube channel. So for getting the response, we have to move towards the YouTube channel, and right here I'm having this video where I'm going to make a new comment. So now let's make a comment. So here I'm going to post this comment, that is mesmerizing waterfall in the video. And now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, where we are going to fetch the latest comment made over our channel. So I'm going to just click over the save and send test request, and Pabbly Connect will automatically fetch the latest comment made. And here you can see that we are successfully getting the comment which I have just made over my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to auto reply to this comment using an automation which I'm going to create. So for that we have to use another action application, that is going to be the OpenAI or the ChatGPT. So here I'm going to select OpenAI. Now let's select the app event as ChatGPT. So I'm going to just select it, and now let's build the connection. And right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection you have to enter the token, and for getting this token you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page. And right here we are on this page where you just have to click over this create new secret key button, and here you have to provide the name and the project name, and your API key will be created. But right now I already have my API key, so I have entered it. Now let's click over the save button, and here you can see that the connection has been built in. And now here I'm going to select the AI model. So here I'm going to select the AI model as GPT-5, which can be seen over here. And now it is asking me to enter the prompt. So right here we have to enter the prompt, means the set of the rules or the instructions which will be used by my AI for generating the reply to this comment. So now let's provide the rules and the set of instructions to our OpenAI or the ChatGPT. So this is the prompt which I have provided to my OpenAI, and now my OpenAI is going to follow this prompt, and according to it, it is going to generate the response or reply to the comment. And after this word comment, I'm going to enter the comment which I have just made over my YouTube video. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the comment like this, but no, here I'm going to perform a method provided by Pabbly Connect that is called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the comment received from my previous application, that is YouTube. So for that, you just have to press the slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application, that is YouTube. So from its response, we are going to map the comment which we have just received. So here I have mapped it, and now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And right here you can see that we are receiving this positive response, and right here you can see that I'm getting this response generated by my OpenAI regarding this particular comment. So here we have successfully generated the reply of the comment by using our OpenAI, and now I'm going to post this content over my video where I have just received a comment. So here I'm going to add my new action step, and action step will be again the same, that is YouTube. And right here I'm going to select the app event as reply to comment, and here I have selected it. Now let's click over this connect button, and right here we have built in the connection. So I'm going to use my existing connection, so I'm going to just click over this save button, and now it is asking me to enter the reply text. So you know that we are going to perform the mapping. So here I'm going to map the text which I'm going to reply to my user. So for that, we are going to use the response of the OpenAI. So here I'm going to map this content, and now it is asking me to enter the comment ID. So here I'm going to map the comment ID from the response which I'm receiving from this YouTube. And here you can see that this is the comment ID which I'm going to map. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here we are receiving this positive response, means the reply is sent to that particular comment. So now let's move on towards my YouTube channel and check out for it. So right here I'm on my YouTube channel, which I'm going to just refresh. And here you can see that we are receiving this reply, and this is the same reply generated by my OpenAI. So now you can see that I'm successfully replying to my YouTube comment which my user has made in this particular video. So now you can also do this by just creating this automation using Pabbly Connect. And I want to tell you one thing, that YouTube is a polling based trigger, means it is going to be triggered after a certain unit of time. And for setting that trigger time, you just have to make a right click, and here we are getting this option for set trigger time. So here I'm going to keep it as check every 10 minutes, and you can select it according to you. Now let's save it. Now our Pabbly Connect is going to check this YouTube channel after every 10 minutes for the new comments received, and this is going to reply to every comment after every 10 minutes. So now you can also create this automation by just using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now and automate your entire business task. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.